I just shared about returning to joy and the importance of doing that. I want to follow that teaching up with something practical that you can do. If all you have is 15 minutes, here's things that you can do daily. Practicing gratitude every morning. Start your day with gratitude and write down or even mentally list 3 things that you're thankful for. Focus on 3 things in the present, 3 things in the future. Things like, I'm so thankful I had a good night's sleep. I'm so thankful for the cup of coffee. Then mindful breathing. Close your eyes, take slow, deep breaths down into your belly. Breathe through your nose to the count of 4. Hold for the count of 4 and exhale through your mouth for the count of 4. This is called box breathing. As you breathe, focus on being present and letting go. Breathing in thankfulness and love, breathing in life, thankful while I'm holding, and then breathing out negativity, breathing out the things that worry me and fret me. Then childlike play. This could be playing your favorite song, dancing around your bedroom or your bathroom while you're brushing your teeth, a short game with your pet, throwing a ball, to just cultivate that childlike play. Then passion focus. Remember, we talked about the things that make you feel alive. What this could be is reading a few pages in your favorite book. It could be brainstorming new and creative ideas, or just reflecting on something that excites you. Then affirmation and letting go. Speak a positive affirmations. I embrace joy in every moment. I release the need for perfection, and I invite joy into my life. Part of my gratitude journaling in the morning is writing I am statements. I am so thankful that I am strong, I am courageous, I am confident, all the things that I want to build up in myself. Then reflect on what you're willing to let go of and doesn't ever serve you. The last thing is connections. Take a couple minutes, send a loving message. Actually, part of my gratitude journal is I send love. Every day I'll send love to a different person. It's real quick. It doesn't have to be involved or detailed. That will help to get you to a place where you return to joy. But I hope that this encourages you, gives you some things that you can put your hand to be able to do action steps that you can take to help return you to joy.